In Pagsanjan Laguna, the officials of Barangay Layugan, in partnership with BioPrime Agri Industries Incorporated, held a harvest festival on September 13, 2022, which was attended by farmers near the area. It was also attended by the officials of the said area, like Mayor Cesar Areza, and shared some of his experiences in the field. The said event also conducted a seminar workshop regarding the proper use and effect of BioPrime on their crops. BioPrime is a unique organic fertilizer and soil conditioner that rejuvenates the soil and accelerates plant growth rates and yield. It does this by stimulating and reproducing billions of microorganisms in the soil, providing the precursors for plant growth and a boost of natural nutrients that are essential for healthy plants and healthy soil. In this event, the BioPrime treated rice field was harvested. The proven result is unimaginable, from the normal yield of 45 sacks without the BioPrime treatment. After using BioPrime and following the protocol of BioPrime, they are able to harvest more than 50 sacks of rice for this season. The number of farmers using BioPrime 555 for their crops continues to increase, because they themselves have experienced its positive effects. BioPrime, happy rice, happy life.